Hey everyone, it's Mini Lock Monday, and I just took a trip to the hardware store, and surprisingly I have pretty much purchased every lock that they have at my local hardware store. But I found this nice little Ace 54539 1 inch or 25 millimeter brass lock, and I thought I would try to do an out of the pack pick of it. So we'll not hurt myself cutting this package open. Try to get it out of here safely. That should do it. And alright, I'll put this away. And this is what we've got. Nice little 25 millimeter. Surprisingly, that has pretty good bitting on it. Little 4-pin with a low cut in pin 1, 3, and a high cut in pin 4 and 2. So let's see what we're going to use to pick this with. All right. Okay, so let's try the 40 millimeter with the thin end. And that seems to fit. And the short flat from the Genesis set. Let's see. Nothing on one. Nothing on 2. 3. Click on 4. Little click on 1, and we are open. So that was pretty easy. I think one might have been a 0 lift on that. Maybe even 3, because I didn't really feel them set or anything like that. I felt a little bit on 4, and then felt a little bit on 2, and it opened up there. So that's it for this Mini Lock Monday. That's all I have, and we'll see you in the next one.